Now in this same code right here, for equipment, comma, specs in self.detection underscore equipment dot items, open and close parentheses, colon. Let's focus on that dot items, open and close parentheses part of our loop. The dot items method is Python's way of accessing both keys and values from a dictionary simultaneously. Instead of getting just the key or just the value, dot items gives you both together as pairs. This is powerful. Our detection equipment dictionary contains equipment names as keys and specification dictionaries as values. We need both, the equipment name for identification and the specs for calculations. Without dot items, we'd have to do this in more steps. With dot items, we get both in one elegant operation. The dot items method returns key value pairs, so when we loop through our detection equipment, each iteration gives us first iteration equipment, quantum field detector, specs equals sensitivity 85, accuracy 92, second iteration, and so on. This is essential for complete dictionary processing. When analyzing scientific equipment, you need both the equipment name for identification and reporting and its specifications for the calculations. The dot items method provides both pieces of information all at once. If you compare it to dot keys or dot values, they only give the one or the other. The dot items method is perfect when you need comprehensive access to your dictionary's complete structures all at once, simultaneously, both the labels and the data they point to. So it depends on your context, but there are many scenarios where it can be very powerful.